Welcome to Perdido Bay Boat Ramp, located at 10808 Lillian Highway here in Pensacola, Florida. Perdido Bay Boat Ramp, located on Heron Bayou, features a 2-lane boat ramp with 62 parking spaces for vehicles with trailers and 22 parking spaces for vehicles without trailers. The facility includes a stormwater treatment area and a dredged channel 2,260 feet long, 40 feet wide, and 5 foot deep, providing direct access to the Perdido Bay. This 40-acre site is ideal for boating, paddling, and enjoying the waters of the Perdido Bay. As you enter the lineup area of the boat ramp, you'll notice a long stretch designed for trailer alignment. This makes it easy to position your vehicle and prepare for launch. This is a view from the top of the boat ramp. You'll see a spacious 2-lane area designed for a long lineup zone that makes trailer alignment a breeze. As you pan across the scene, take note of the clearly marked parking lot. Plenty of room for easy, stress-free parking. As you pan around, you're now looking at the central walkway of the parking area. This facility offers clean, well-maintained porta potties and 2 picnic tables tucked under a shaded cover, perfect for a quick break or a relaxed lunch before heading out. This is an aerial view of the west side of the boat ramp. From this angle, you can see the full layout of the launch area, the trailer lineup zone, and the surrounding parking and picnic facilities, all designed for easy access and comfortable experience. This is the aerial view from the south side of the boat ramp. From here you can see full approach to the launch area, the trailer alignment zone, all laid out for easy navigation for a smooth start to your day on the water. This is an aerial view of the north side of the boat ramp. As you pan around, you'll spot an open field and a walking path that leads toward Perdido Bay. Just ahead, 2 raised deck areas. These deck areas also serve as raised camping spots nestled in the quiet, wooded section. From here, a path leads down to the shore of Perdido Bay, offering easy access to water and a peaceful place to unwind. Whether you're here to camp, explore, or just take in the view, this spot has something special to offer. This is an aerial view over Heron Bayou. Below you see the boat ramp and docking area. As you pan around, the full expanse of the bayou comes into view. Just ahead you can see the marked channel guiding boaters safely toward the open waters of the Perdido Bay. From this vantage point you can truly appreciate the blend of natural beauty of Heron Bayou. From Heron Bayou to the mouth of the Perdido River, just 3 miles away, with Lillian Bridge 3.7, Alabama Pass and Sunset Grill sit around 16 miles out, while Fort McRae and Pensacola Pass stretch to 23 and 25 miles out. Closer stops include Pirates Cove at 12.5 miles, the Wharf at 19 miles, and Lulu's and Gulf Shores at 22.5 miles, each offering its own coastal charm.